Now, how do we factor 8y cubed minus 1? Now, we can apply the difference of cubes here. Okay. Now, when we have a cubed minus b cubed, same as a minus b, we have a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay. Now, when we have this minus 1, we can adjust this one. So my 8y cubed, my 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. And we have y cubed minus, so 1 can also be written as 1 cubed. And we can have this one as 2y all cubed minus 1 cubed. So we have 2y minus 1, okay. Then we have this one squared, that will be 4y squared plus the product, okay. 2y plus 1 squared is 1. Alright, so I think that's the factors. So this one has been factored out. Bye bye.